You should have probably read
Well, that was easy.
instructions.
Wait, maybe not. What? Wait, I got this. Hold on. Oh, I tore up the instructions! Where's one to spill it?
It won't.
Oh,
Not yet, at least.
Is this the cap?
Yeah?
I'm gonna break it.
I thought the same thing when I first got it. I was so scared to open it.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah?
Yes, I got this. Open the... okay. I'm on number 4. Wait, so I take this off?
Yeah? I would hold the bottle between your legs.
Yes.
Lots of force.
Scared. Wait, what if the glass gets in there?